Called the first of its kind in the nation, the city of San Jose passed a new law last year. Since the start of 2023, gun owners have to have liability insurance and pay a fee of $25. That fee would go to a nonprofit with the money to be used for firearm safety training, suicide prevention, and more. From the time the ordinance was announced, it was faced with backlash.
Immediately, the city of San Jose was sued.
Plaintiffs included the National Association for Gun Rights and the Howard Jarvis Taxpayers Association. The groups challenged the ordinance on Second Amendment grounds and asked the court to find it unconstitutional.
It's going to be the law-abiding citizens who actually deter crime by having weapons in their homes who are going to be the ones who bear the burden of this unconstitutional ordinance.
Attorney Tamarah Prevost with Bay Area firm Cachette, Petrie, and McCarthy took on the city's case pro bono.
We felt very confident that the ordinance was constitutional. The city did a lot of work on the front end to really craft something that it believed would be upheld because the city is not taking guns away from people.
In a win for the city, a federal judge ruled Thursday that the insurance requirement for gun owners does not restrict gun firearm possession or use. The judge citing points made by nonprofit Brady, which pushes for gun safety. In a statement sent to ABC7, the National Association for Gun Rights said in part, "This ruling is what happens when judges rely more on anti-gun groups like Brady than the actual ruling authorities here, namely the U.S. Constitution and the U.S. Supreme Court." The $25 fee still hasn't been completely worked out by the city. The court says it's not ready for judicial review yet, saying the plaintiffs can still file an amended complaint. The Howard Jarvis Taxpayers Association told us that the ruling on the fee is nothing new, stating in part, "This is the third time the city has moved for dismissal and the third time its motion has been granted, but with leave for plaintiffs to file an amended complaint." Prevost says they're ready to continue fighting.
We are going to fight for the constitutionality of this law until the very end. It may go up to the U.S. Supreme Court. We're prepared for that.
In San Jose, Zach Fuentes, ABC7 News.